Downtime is something that our customers cannot afford during a short work season and on demanding jobs. Ziegler is well positioned to make sure that we can reduce their downtime by offering the people, facilities, repair options, and technologies to help keep them in the field and working.
We want to reduce our customers' downtime. Ziegler takes a proactive approach on preventing downtime via oil sampling, equipment monitoring. If there is a situation where something is flagged, we contact the customer, let him know that there is an issue that you need to be concerned about.
When our customers are experiencing trouble with down machines, we're there through the thick and thin of things.
Customers need flexibility depending on the type of repair that's needed or the time of the year. For example, we offer exchange components so that during the heat of the work season, if they've had an issue, they can get back up and running quickly. As they come into the winter season and their off season, they can do more planned component repairs that may be more economical and extensive, but they know exactly what options they have depending on their workload.
Caterpillar equipment really is engineered to be rebuilt along with the components. So often we'll provide that option to our customer where we can recondition that component or recondition that machine, provide a second life, third life, or even more than that.
The type of work that we do here is to return components to a like-new condition. We like to think that it's even better than new because we're in complete control of all of the tolerances and the quality that's built into these components. Plus, we have the experience of knowing what these components go through in the field, which means more productivity and more success for your company.
Warranties are an important part of our repair option program. Depending on the type of repair a customer does and the extent of a repair, we can offer short-term and long-term warranties that in some cases mimic the warranties that they can get with a new piece of equipment. What I love about working for Ziegler is that we get to be part of our customers' businesses. We get to understand what their challenges are and help them meet those every day.